folks. Thank you for joining me for the Harrison Repair Show. I'm Brian Harrison. Actually, I just called Harrison Repairs. Um, and yeah, I just want to leave a friendly reminder. Don't please forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on the video. And if you're on Rumble, follow me there. Um, I upload videos there too. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And links and descriptions are in the home pages of both YouTube and Rumble. Um, I want to say that I hope you enjoy the show, whether we're repairing something, whether we're showing tools that you can buy, simple, maybe even simple tools to help you with a repair. But I hope you enjoy today's video. So please sit back and let's begin the show. Alright folks, today we're here to replace the batteries in this watch. This is a new watch I got for her for Christmas. So now it's time to replace the battery because I like to let these run and not, I think it's a gimmick, but I know how to replace the batteries in them, so that's fine with me. So today on the Harrison Repairs, that's what we're doing. We're replacing this battery, but it's in this box. So here we go, this is the watch. We'll pull the watch out, but let's get set up. Before we do all that, let's get our toolkit. Hold on. There you go. That's the toolkit you find on Amazon, and just type in that name and you should find it. They may have something new, different. I mean, it's been a bit since I got it. It could be the same, it could be different. Just look for something. I do have, if you look in the playlist, I do have a deal in this playlist of, here, that's what I need. I do have a deal in this playlist of showing this kit. Okay, man, I can't talk today. Good gravy. All right. It helps Brian speak. Okay. There you go. There's the device. It's gonna hold the watch. I'm gonna pull the watch out. Here's the other tool to get the back off. There's other stuff that comes in this kit. The mainly thing is I want to replace batteries, but I bought the whole kit, so I didn't have to fumble around. There's other stuff I had put in to replace batteries, but I wish I had a workbench because it's bigger than this, and you could still put the watch on there to fix it. But let's look. Okay, so there you go. There's the my woman did a short of this, so on the channel here. So there you go. But that's what it looks like. It's glary because the lights are weird. I try to do it, but some things just shine. There you go. There's the watch. Okay, it's actually a beautiful watch, believe it or not. Okay, so we're going to, we may leave that in just because, okay, I know where it is. It's there. So you gotta look for the little crevice. That one's easy to see. There's a little crevice there. Okay, that's right. Let's see, hold on. Someday. Okay, it's over here on this edge. It's over here. Okay, so I know where it is. Let's do it this way. Let's see if it will protect. I think that spot protects it. Okay, so we screw it in so we can hold it in place. The only reason I've done this before without doing this, but I'm trying to be a little more better at it, or because I didn't have the toolkit, but I just had a screwdriver to do it. But now I have a toolkit, so now we just pop it off. Ooh, there we go. Nice. I like it when they pop off. I like it when they pop off really nicely. Okay. Then we're careful. We try to be careful, but we pull off that, and then we gotta pull out the old battery. Okay. Here we go. Now we get to work. Okay. Where is it? No, you're not gonna come out. Okay. Let's see here. And that's what's cool about this kit. There's stuff that comes with this kit. Let me see what I want to use. Let's go with this. Let's go with this tool. See if I can. Oh yeah, I can. Oh, hold on. Come on, battery. Okay, here we go. Don't want to ruin anything. Don't want to. Okay. Okay, there's the, yeah. Come on. There we go. That popped out. Okay. Gotta be careful, but I was careful. So it popped out the battery. Now it's time to replace it. Now, some of them you could just do it with your hand, but, you know, it's... Let's see here. Let's see. How many? Do we have any? Oh, please don't tell me we don't have any. Let's see here. Do we have any? I thought we had batteries. Do we have batteries? Batteries. Let's see. Yes, we do. Okay, I might as well dump those in there too. Okay, we do actually have batteries. Okay, good. Good. Let's pull this out. Alright. Okay. It's good to have a battery kit. I bought this battery thing so I keep batteries organized better. I actually kind of like it because it actually does. Okay. Oh, we gotta find that plastic piece. Okay, come on. Let's open you out. Okay. Let's see. Okay, those may not be the batteries I want. Okay. Let's see here. Any other batteries? Alright, and I'm back. I had to look for some batteries. I found some. Good. Okay. So we found some we can replace our watch with. Let's open these up. Sorry about that. It's okay if we have some editing involved. Okay, let's see. Come on. We may have to dump these into our container. Alright. Oh, wait, hold on. This must be one of those. Okay. We're getting there. We're getting to it. Oh yeah, it's one of those. Oh, let's see here. Okay. Let's see. Open up. Okay. Alright. There we go. Okay. So now, we put the battery back in the watch. First I was a little bit concerned that we didn't have any batteries, but I actually bought some. I always like keeping up on that stuff. That's another thing. Try to keep up on that stuff anyway. And that would be important. There you go. There's that. Then we put the top back on to protect. I don't know if it's protects, holds stuff in, I guess. And then we put this top back on to there. Okay. Oh, so we put this back. We put the battery in. Hold on. The battery's in here. They're small. We put the battery in here. Okay, hold on. There you go. So we basically put. It takes a bit, but you put your. Oh, come on, camera. But you basically put your finger. See, this is really small for this camera. But when you put the battery in, you try to put your finger in. But you be careful. But you press it in, and then you put this back on. This is a simple watch. You can do this cheaper watches at Walmart, and then so now you have that back in, and then we may have to put this on the table, and then you have to go like this. There's a top. You push down. You want to make sure it gets in there and on there, but you don't want to push too hard. You want to just kind of let it pop in. Alright, come on. I got you off. You can go back in. Alright. That's usually the goal. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Okay, come on. I can go back in. There you go. There's the pop. There you go. Oh. Maybe it's false pop. Come on, watch. Let's see. What are you trying to do? Alright. All I did was pop you off. Okay. Alright. Hello? Let's see. Can we pop you back in? Hold on. Let's see here. It's supposed to pop. It's just supposed to pop back on. Alright, it has everything in it. Okay. Here we go. Hey, let me loosen this. Let me see if I could just pop it back on without. It works again. See, why aren't you? Aren't you popping back in? Oh, there you go. Okay, hold on. Let's see if it's there. You have to make sure. You have to go around sometimes. And it works. Again. See. You barely see the little hand. It's going up. Let's move it. Yeah, so it works again. It works again. Awesome. I'm glad when I do that. Then you can always wash them off, or or at least wash the front off. There you go. My wall was gonna be happy because that's all she wanted was the battery replaced. I replaced the battery. May need to pick up some more, but as far as I know, I've replaced the battery of this watch. Should last a while. If it doesn't, I just replace it again. Because sometimes you get, even if you buy new batteries, every once in a while you get a battery that's kind of weird. But that's all you have. That's why I'm glad they sell them in a kit. There's the watch. It works. The back's on it now. Good. I want to make sure I can't. No, I can't just pull it off. Okay. Good. Good, good, good. There we go. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Look at we made ourselves a mess a little bit over here. But I'm going to start. I need to start putting some of the stuff back together, but get yourself a kit. Get to learn how to replace at least the batteries. You don't need to, if you do more, that's great. It's awesome to learn more about watch repairs or watch building. But if even just enough to replace the batteries in your watch, in the long run, for me, it's cheaper. And so even for my woman, and she likes a watch. She may not be able to pick up the same watch, okay? And there are cases she has watches that are like that, where it was a cool watch, but you go back, they don't sell it anymore. So there you go. That's it. There, and then what I'll do is for her convenience, I'll put it back in. Actually, it says it wants to go the other way, but you know what? Oh, it may not. Maybe it does matter. Okay. Here, let's go this way. Okay, there we go. There we go. There you go. Now we just put back in, and there you go. Oh, hit the camera. Hit the camera. Alright, there you go, guys. This is fun. I enjoy doing this. It's fun. It's fun to get your hands into stuff like this. Let's throw that back over there, but yeah, we repaired the battery of this watch. I'll clean up a little bit more here later. But anyway, after this video. But anyway, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I'll leave with closing thoughts. I'll see you guys in the next one. I want to thank you for joining us for the Harrison Repair. I guess we call it Harrison Repair Show, but it's actually Harrison Repairs. I hope you enjoyed what we showed you today on video. And when we do these things, we take a camera and go and show you. We're not talking about it on a green screen all the time. So I want to thank you for whatever. If we showed you a repair or tool, thank you so much. But please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and leave a like on our videos, and it helps us out a lot. And don't forget to follow us on Rumble and on Facebook. And yeah, I just want to thank you so much, and I hope you guys have a nice day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.